The QSC CP12 Powered Loudspeaker delivers impressively clean, full-range sound that feels far bigger than its compact 12-inch cabinet suggests. Its built-in 1,000-watt Class D amplifier and carefully matched drivers provide strong output with plenty of headroom for live music, speech, and playback. Despite the robust build and professional finish, the enclosure is relatively lightweight, so it is easy to carry, mount on a pole, or position as a floor monitor. The onboard digital signal processing with sensible presets makes it simple to dial in clear, balanced sound for common situations without needing an external processor. Multiple input options allow you to plug in a microphone, a line source, and a music player at the same time, turning the speaker into a practical all-in-one system for small events. Flexible mounting choices and a reputation for reliability make the CP12 a solid long-term choice for performers, venues, and houses of worship.